It's Cheryl here today. Today I want to show you 6 things you gotta pick up from the Dollar Tree. If you want to see what I picked up, stick around. I'll be right back. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Cheryl here today. If you're new here, I truly appreciate you stopping by. And if you've been here for a while, thank you so much for coming back. I hope everybody's being safe and healthy. And so I want to show you 6 things if you go to the Dollar Tree that you got to pick up. Probably some hair gel. But anyway, let's get started on this. I pick these up every time. And I've noticed over the last few months that Dollar Tree's been having some of their products reduced in size. But so far, this is still a 6-pack. These are the nail guard sponges. I don't know if it guards against polish, because as you can see, I don't polish my nails much. But you get 6, and these are really good. I really like these. I pick them up every time I go. Let's see. And then, of course, you know, everybody, if you hadn't tried this, you got to. It says, as seen on TV, LA is totally awesome. Check out my video on how great this stuff works. And this is 32 fluid ounces for $1. It works on all kinds of things. I think the only thing that it doesn't work on, or you shouldn't use on, is glass. So you dilute it, but it's great on grease. Doesn't clean everything, but it's good on most. And this is the Moisture Eliminator Charcoal with Carbon. Traps excess moisture, eliminates tough odor, and prevents water damage. Okay. Now this is 9.8 ounces, but I bought this a while because all this stuff's been sitting in my closet for months. And if you go to the Dollar Tree and you get this, you'll notice that it's at least almost half the size of this one. So I was glad I still had this one. You can use it in the bathroom, basement, attic, anywhere you think traps a lot of moisture. And it really works, guys, because after you leave it there for a while, when you come back for a couple of weeks or a month, you'll see water at the bottom. And these really work. This is from Cooking Concepts. These are the 2-piece wine stoppers. And they really work, guys. Because I put it in on a wine bottle and turned it over and the wine didn't come out. So that's good. And the next thing, I love these things. This is also by Cooking Concepts. 2-piece mesh strainers. You get a small and a big one. And if you don't use this in your sink and you start using it, you'll be amazed of how much stuff it traps that could have been going down your drain. Okay, and the last thing that I always try to pick up, because I can't always find the ones that I have, are these reading glasses. So yeah, how do you think they look, guys? But if you like this video and you've tried any of these things, please comment below. And that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.